Good morning. I just want to show you how Filipino wash their clothes. Okay, I'll show you. We have washing machine, but Filipina always wanted to use their hand clothes. Like here. See that? Yeah, I'm going to show you. Okay, this is how we wash our clothes. Show you. Run. Hand wash. See, Filipina is not satisfied to use the washing machine, so we use our hand. Especially when you grow up without nothing, we always use our hand. That is me. I grew up with nothing. I was one of the poor here in the Philippines. Poor. So, actually, I will show you. I will share with you my whole story. I will be sitting on in front of the camera and tell you bit by bit my whole story. It's time to rinse my clothes without the washing machine. Go. I have to rinse my clothes 3 times. So it will mas malinis kasi. Now, I am going to rinse it one more before I will use the Downy. The reason why I use the Downy is because it's not too strong. I like the smell. So, I use the baby Downy for my clothes. Ang bango! Ang bango ng bra ko! Ayan, ngayon magsasampay na tayo. Tara! Time for sampay-sampay. Sampay na! At least ilagay mo yan sa mabilisan. na ang labandera nyong si Wilma.